disappear. I told her I'm not really looking for another mistake. I called an old friend thinking that the trouble would wait, but then I jumped right in. A week later returned. I reckon she was only looking for a lover to burn, but I gave her my time for 2 or 3 nights. Then I put it on pause until the moment was right. I went away 4 months until our paths crossed again. She told me I was never looking for a friend. Maybe you could swing by my room around 10. Baby, bring the lemon and a bottle of gin. We'll be in between the sheets till the late AM. Baby, if you wanted me, then you should have just said she's singing. Don't win my love. That heart is so cold, all over my own. I don't wanna know that, babe. Don't win my love. I told her she knows. Take aim and reload. I don't wanna know that, babe. And for a couple weeks I only wanna see her. We drink away the days with a takeaway pizza. Before a text message was the only way to reach her. Now she's staying at my place and loves the way I treat her. Singing out Aretha all over the track like a feature. And never wants to sleep, I guess that I don't want to either. But me and her, we make money the same way. 4 cities, 2 planes the same day. And those shows have never been what it's about, but maybe we'll go together and just figure it out. I'd rather put on a film with you and sit on the couch, but we should get on a plane or we'll be missing it now. Wish I'd have written it down, the way that things played out when she was kissing him, how I was confused about. Now she should figure it out while I'm sat here singing. Don't win my love. That heart is so cold, all over my own. I don't wanna know that, babe. Don't win my love. I told her she knows. Take aim and reload. I don't wanna know that, babe. On my hotel door, I don't even know if she knows what for. She was crying on my shoulder. I already told you, trust and respect is what we do this for. I never intended to be next, but you didn't need to take him to bed, that's all. And I never saw him as a threat until you disappeared within of course. It's not like we were both on tour. We were staying at
Alright, so we just got done building. So here is my build. It is a little house, little bedroom, you know what I mean, right? So anyway, this what do you call it? A collab with what was her name? Oh my god, I forgot what her username was. Oof. Okay, so yeah. This is my house. Oh my god, I'm stuck in the ground. Okay, so here's my house. Wow, 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 wow. I meant bedroom. Okay, so it was fall themed bedrooms. So let's go into mine. So as you walk in, we have just a carpet. I don't even know what I did right here. Yeah. We have a bookshelf, and then we have this little thingy. What's happening right now? Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Yeah, and that's my brother.
Yep.
So here's my bedroom. Paintings. I don't even know right now. Yeah. Very interesting right now. Okay, at least I'm sitting the right way. I want to use my computer. Oh my god, rage mode. Rage mode.
I find all.
That's my brother Star. Go check him out on Roblox. Star Wars Kellen is his username, as you can see right here. Yep. Here is. Yeah, you're a crazy child. I know.
No.
Okay, so here's my friend's friend. I don't know. Well, sorta, because I just like met her in this session, so you know. So here's her fall bedroom. It's cute. It's very cute. I just wish she left a smaller space in a way. It's kind of big for a bedroom, but I think it's adorable. I love the color she chose. What the heck? A floating remote. Okay. Okay. You know what? You know, it works. It works. It works. It's fine. It's fine. I don't know. I think it's adorable. And yeah, so make sure to like and subscribe, and see you all in the next video. And if you want to do a collab with me like this,
Bye-bye,
just comment down
guys.
below. And bye.
Bye.